Bring back the kidnapped Hazaras. Bring back the kidnapped Hazaras.
اگر امروز سیریک هزاره گرفته شود، شاید فردا برادر پشتون گرفته شود، شاید فردا برادر تاجیک گرفته شود و این تبدیل به یک فرهنگ خواهد شد. اگر امروز پدرها، اگر امروز برادرای ما نخزن، فردا روز طفلای خرد مخالفی رو یاد بگیرن. ما اینجا آمدیم استاد شدیم تا بگیم این فرهنگ نشود. ما اینجا آمدیم و استاد شدیم تا بگیم استاپ کنید پلیز. و در این رابطه باز هم سپاس میکنم دولت استرالیا را که این اجازه را برای ما دادن و دولت استرالیا با حمایت هایی که از همه میکنه بدون در نظر گرفتن جنسیتشان، چه از زنان چه از مردان که موجب شده خواهر عزیزمان خانم زکیه بیگ در رابطه با فعالیت‌های فرهنگی و علمی پیشرفت زیادی داشته باشند و همکنون هم رئیس زنان هزاره در هزاره فدریشن هستند. از ایشان دعوت میکنم تا تشریف بیارن و نظر خودشان رو در این رابطه به ما و شما بگویند و افتخار حضورشان لطفاً دست بدید.
Good afternoon, everybody, my brothers and sisters. Thank you very much for coming and joining us in this important cause and raise a voice for the voiceless for decades, for more than 133 years. Thank you very much. Special thanks to Pamela Carr, to other guests coming from mainstream Australia. Their support is very valuable and that can make a big difference to raise our voice. Thank you very much. Before starting, I'm quoting a preamble of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, to know that we have the rights as a human beings in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. We are protected by the international human rights law. The Human Declaration of Human Rights is a common standard of achievements for all people and all nations, to the end that every individual and every organ of society, keeping this declaration constantly in mind, shall strive by teaching and education to promote respect for these rights and freedoms, and by progressive measures, national and international, to secure their universal and effective recognition and observance, both among the peoples of member states themselves and among the peoples of territories under their jurisdictions. In the Article 1 and 3, they protect us all by saying that all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. Everyone has the right to life, liberty, and security of person. And in Article 5, 7, 10, 13, all covers our equal fundamental human rights. As Hazara, are we equal? Do we have equal human rights? This is a big question that we are unable to ask from the authorities of Afghanistan and Pakistan. Are they giving us the human right equal? No, they are not. We have been experiencing in Pakistan, Quetta, in Afghanistan since more than 133 years. And now it just started again in Afghanistan. 31 people kidnapped and not found by the government of Pakistan and ignored. People were died, killed in Afghanistan, in Saripul. People get kidnapped and they were not found because they are Hazara. We are standing here. We are standing here in solidarity with the families, with the little children, with the mothers who has 2 sons in the kidnapped people. This is the human atrocities increasing in Afghanistan. And the government of Afghanistan is just silent, which shows that which shows that they are somehow friends of the Taliban. And this is obvious that more than 50 years and we are not getting the innocent people found by the government. Days are going to be more grim in Afghanistan. This is a very, very sad for Hazaras. As we can see, Farkhunda was killed, and we came out for Farkhunda's right. We shouted, we felt her pain. And we are happy that the killers are found and they will be brought up to the justice. And we are sad for our people too, that they cannot be found. The killers and the kidnappers will not be brought to justice, we know that. We know that the government of Afghanistan is silent, and this silence is suspicious. We have women and children in Afghanistan going to other cities. We have businessmen going to other cities to earn their food, for their children, to do their business, to bring food on the table. If they cannot travel and singled out by Taliban, checking if they are Hazaras, they get killed, how could the families survive in there? We have a friend on Beijing visa sharing his story that 8 girls were traveling from Kabul to Ghazni on the term break. Taliban stopped the vehicle and took the girls out. This is just recent and true story. Checked them and said, why are you not wearing burqa? Hijab is not enough for you. Next time you come, wear the burqa and come with your men. Otherwise, you will be killed. This is the deteriorating situation of human rights, women's rights, and children's rights in Afghanistan. This will go worse and worse in coming days. We know that. We know that Taliban and Daesh are powerful and getting powerful every day. That is why we are here. We are here, our brothers and sisters, to call upon the human rights in the broader community, the human rights agencies, the human rights organizations, the countries like the treaty bodies, the members of human rights, they should come. They should come forward and say something. They should pressurize Afghanistan's government to find the Hazaras 31 kidnapped, to protect their civilians. Thank you very much.